Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can unpublish your Voodoo website and delete it. First thing you need to do is, as you can see, I'm on the Voodoo website. And if you can't find it for whatever reason, you just need to go to voodoo.com, just like so. After that, you would need to click on My Databases, like Profile, My Databases. As you can see, this is my database. So I'll go to Connect, and this sorry, not connect. My bad. You have to click on connect and let it load. And then you have to click on website. And as you can see, this is the website. Now what you need to do is you see published over here. You just have to click on unpublished. And then you have to go back. And then what you'll do over here is click on the setting option and then click on delete. As you can see, you're going to delete how to solution. And if I click on delete, it's going to delete everything, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.